had no concept of an entrepreneur. All Jake wanted to do was to fire his boss at a Taco Bell, and the only thing I wanted to do was to leave.
Dude,
the
I was trying. It was trying to preserve myself because I knew it was either me or her, right? And whoever took the first shot, so I was able to fire first and save my ass because I was going to get my head chopped off at some point for being a smart ass. So,
but when we started, we had no concept of what investing, entrepreneurship, exit strategies, none of that. All we were doing in the very beginning, and if you're listening right now and you're saying to yourself, I haven't even started investing yet, that's okay. The whole step in the beginning of your journey is just to start buying deals. We call it the conveyor belt. Start putting deals on that conveyor belt. Let them start matriculating. Don't worry about becoming an entrepreneur, but know that that's what multifamily is all about, is that journey to becoming an entrepreneur, journey to scaling up, journey to creating systems, journey to partnering, a journey to learning all of these different strategies and techniques that will allow you to do that. But in the very beginning, it's the I'm a mentality. I'm going to do this and I'm going to do that. And if you're an entrepreneur, you're going to burn yourself out. And if you're not careful in the beginning, you start buying deals and you start doing everything yourself. After a little while, you will ultimately become that mom and pop. But in the beginning, just think about it, that conveyor belt. Start buying deals, single families, duplexes, wherever you are. Start putting those deals in the conveyor belt, because your whole goal is to create equity and to create cash flow and to create those exits, those refis, or those sales.
Dude, you're getting way too far ahead of yourself, bro. You're getting way too far ahead of yourself.
Am I?
Here's the thing, and this is why. It's so much limiting beliefs in the beginning, and you're going like 12 steps down the road. For people early on, when they buy that first deal, they just need that little bit of proof of concept to give them the confidence to get into the next deal. Because we always say, you and I all the time, education times action equals your results. But for education and action, there's different inflection points as you go, because you could learn everything in day one, but you're not going to be able to apply it all. You could take all the action in the world on day one, but you can't buy a 5,000 unit portfolio. So it's little inflection points along the way for education and action, and they stack and they actually multiply and snowball. So I just think that, for folks starting out, to your point, buying that first deal is so crucial, because you're going to be able to apply a little bit of your education, but you're also going to have that action be applied so that you can stack and gain confidence to get into larger and larger deals.